Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enable picture-in-picture, basically PIP mode on your YouTube app for iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open YouTube app on your iPhone. Let me find the YouTube app on my iPhone. YouTube, just tap onto it. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner or just here. Then go to settings, search for gear icon. Like this, you can see this gear icon or basically settings icon. You have to tap onto it, then select playback and restrictions on your iPhone, like search for playback and restrictions or general in older versions like me. Then find picture in picture on your iPhone. As mine is saying restricted mode, you just have to turn this option on, and then you have to go back to settings, and then you have to open general. Then you have to tap on picture in picture and turn on start PIP automatically. Now when you play video and swipe up, it will continue playing in a small window. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.